Just Mercy by Brian Stevenson. Unfairness in the justice system is the major theme of the book. DNA analysis exposes false conviction, it seems, on a weekly basis. This book about the struggle of one man activist lawyer against injustice. Brian Stevenson grew up poor in Delaware. His great grandparents had been slaves in Virginia. His grandfather was murdered in Philadelphia housing project when Stevenson was a teenager. Stevenson attended Easton College, a Christian institution outside Philadelphia, and then Harvard Law School. Afterward, he began representing poor clients in the South, first in Georgia and then Alabama, where he was a co-founder of the Equal Justice Initiative. I am not persuaded that the opposite of poverty is wealth. I have come to believe that the opposite of poverty is justice. The true measure of our character is how we treat the poor, the disfavored, the accused, the incarcerated, and the condemned. Simply punishing the broken only ensures that they remain broken, and we do too. Each of us is more than the worst thing we have ever done. The main question behind the author's work is how and why people are judged unfairly. The United States has the highest rate of incarceration in the world. We are the only country in the world that sentences children to life without parole. 1 in 3 black male babies born this century is expected to be incarcerated. Black men are 8 times more likely to be killed by police than white. Simply punishing the broken, walking away from them, or hiding them from sight only ensures that they remain broken, and we do too. There is no wholeness outside of our reciprocal humanity. One of the first cases author handled was that of Walter McMillan. McMillan was a young man who was wrongly sentenced to die for a murder that he insisted he did not commit. This case drew Stevenson into a tangle of political, legal brinkmanship and conspiracy